What's up, fam? Woo! Woo woo! Yo, I'm excited. First day of school. It's Monday. Gotta hustle. Gotta work hard. Woo! New quarter of this year. So, yes, I am on my way to school. Yeah, buddy. I love this weather. This is my favorite weather of the year. I love it when it rains. As right now, it's kind of like not raining super hard, but it's drizzling. But I'm loving it. And it's hot. You're humid. You're sweating, and you smell like. Sorry, I can't say that word, but oh my god. So I'm excited. Let's get it, guys. We gotta work hard this year, get some good grades, and treat every day like a Friday. Today feels like a Friday. I don't know why I'm so pumped, so excited to go to school. I never feel like this, which is weird. I usually I'm not a morning person, so I don't really like waking up early. I mean, it's not that early. I woke up at like 8:30, but now it's 10. I'm barely on my way to school. My class is at 10:40, so I'll see you guys there. Woo! Oh, damn. Today was a lovely day. Nice weather. I don't know if you guys can see, but it is fucking raining outside. It is raining! I'm done with my classes. It's 2:30. Gotta go home. I'm hungry. I'm starving. I mean, I have snacks and stuff, but I want some food. I want some food. Some food. Some goddamn food. I want food. My fuck. Yes, I know. I didn't get a chance to record. You guys are probably like, why didn't you record? Because it's raining out here. It's fucking raining. It's raining so hard up in this place, man. You know, I'ma hate this. I mean, I like, you know, doing this stuff and stuff, you know what I mean? Homie? But it was raining and I don't want to get my camera wet. Unless that thing was, unless my camera was waterproof. Like, I mean, I had a GoPro, but I forgot that thing. I didn't bring it. That was my fault. I messed up. So what can I do? So overall, class today, easy. Alright, easy cheesy, boys. I didn't have anything to do, just syllabus, that's it. Syllabus day, and yeah, easy money. So if you're watching this video and you haven't watched my last video, go check that thing out, goy. Oh, goy? What the hell's goy? I meant boys, or boy. That's what I meant. But go check it out. Go check out my mom, how drunk she got. She started singing, man. Never seen my mom and my dad singing like that. I was all tipsy, homie. Just got home. And like I was saying, I'm hungry. Oh, about to eat my leftovers from yesterday. Do you think this thing's still warm? Ah, oh, damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Today was just not a good day for me. It's raining. It was really difficult to be vlogging while it's raining. So I'm sorry, guys. It's gonna be a boring vlog because since I started school now, I have less time. I'm trying to do videos. But hopefully the next video, if it's still raining tomorrow, it's gonna be a funny video. So that would be, today's Monday. This video is gonna be up on tomorrow, which is Tuesday. So right now, how you guys watching is Tuesday. And then Wednesday, we'll be putting up another video. Monday to Friday videos. That's it. Let's go. What can we do with this rain? It's useful for something. Only one thing. One thing. It's free water. So.
Because it's wet.
Ah, shit.
Go put shoes. And then you can go on it.
Why are you filming this?
Because it's gonna be for my YouTube channel, yo. I'm about to wash this car, yo. I need more jabón.
The neighbors are judging you so hard.
I don't care. You gotta appreciate when you have free water. You gotta not waste water.
Are you serious?
Alright, let's go.
It's raining and you're washing it.
Alright, look, you gotta appreciate this shit. Oh shit. Dude, I should do like a sink edit with this.
It's raining and he's washing it.
Whew. Man, it's cold as fuck out here. Oh shit. If you want a free wash, come through. Right now, shit. Ooh. God damn.
Ooh.
You better blow on my plate too. Sit down.
Hey, look, this is staying cleaner than mine.
Woo.
And without a t-shirt.
Just go put. Wait, send it in the group chat. What did they put it in? Tell me.
I need some more jabón. Some more jabón. Damn, look at her car. It's just dirty as fuck.
Oh, it's so tight.
Look at this. Damn. You gotta clean this shit out here. Ooh.
I hate
I
you.
need the car wash nowadays.
Ali, you're that special.
Hey, don't you little dumb, but it's okay.
Yeah, I did. She's clean now.
This was dumb.
It just needs to start raining a little bit more, you know? Alright.
That's your dad, Lexi.
Ali, I'm sorry.
No, that's your dad.
You guys want a free car wash? Come right here. Washing cars. Woo. Ali, you want me to wash your car too? Yeah? But your car's already wet. Should we just wash this side?
Yeah.
Yeah? I already washed that one.
What's mine?
I'm just waiting until it starts raining more so it could just drop all that soap. You guys, they won't be able to see, but there's fucking jabón in here. Woo. Some jabón. Ooh. Dude, this is more clean than my car. Where's my car? I need to wash my car too. Oh. Alright, so after I clean her car, wash her car in the rain, she still fucking wants me to dry it up. Like, yeah, it's not raining, guys. It's not raining. And she wants me to dry it. And she started saying if I freaking cleaned her wheels over here, when how am I supposed to clean her wheels?
You better crop off my license plates.
What do you mean?
Crop it out.
Oh, I'm not gonna crop out your license plates. I'm sorry, but guys, this is a stolen car, so.
Throw it out.
All right, guys, that's all for today. We washed that Camry with
Lakewood means rewind, the gunshot means forward.
So yeah, we washed that Camry in the rain. 'Cause you know, you gotta appreciate when you got rain. You wanna save water? We're in a drought, guys. We can't be using our water from our house. Then our bill comes in and comes out to like $300. Hell no! I'm not gonna about to pay $300. I mean, at least I'm not. You know, I love the rain, so take advantage of it. And if you want, go outside, put a pot out there, and later on boil that pot of water and do something with it. Drink it if you want to. I'm just kidding, don't drink it. But thank y'all guys for watching. I'll be making more videos of these. Funny videos. You know. So, I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace. And don't forget, keep your head up. Never give up. Alright guys. Peace out.